Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Play Store Scan App. Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you about the Play Store Scan App so you can scan your apps in Play Store. So to do this, open up your Play Store. Once you open up your Play Store, click on your profile in the top right corner. After clicking on your profile in the top right corner, click on Play Protection. After that, click on Scan. So what this do? No harm apps found play protection scanned yesterday, but we're gonna scan it right now to check if there's any harm in the apps. Let's try scanning. So as you can see, I have more than 140 plus apps in my phone. So we're gonna scan them, and there you go. As you can see, no harmful apps found. Play protected scanned moments ago. There you go, guys. As you can see, all my apps are all clean using the scanner in Play Store. There you go, guys. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys enjoyed. And a quick tip for you guys, you can also click on the settings on the top right, and as you can see, scan apps play protect. So you can off the improve harmful app detection if you have an app that it's not that it's harmful, but it gives you like something of you use it, but it's like the Play Store detects it as harmful, but it's not really harmful, but you use it. You know what I mean. So yeah, there you go, guys, and you can just turn this off. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.